This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cups, specifically these BevTech frosted matte finish disposable cups. They're great for hot or cold beverages, and they come in 3 sizes. You have your 12 ounce, 16, and 24. And one of the great features of these is that you can actually buy lids for them, and those options are sold separately. So especially if you're looking for stuff as to-go containers, these are a nice frosted option that'll help show off your beautiful drinks. So these are great for things like coffee, tea, lemonade, and especially cocktails. And I find that that matte frosted finish just gives it a little bit of extra special touch. So especially if you have a bar and establishment with an outdoor area, this kind of little disposable cup just speaks to cool drinks on a summer afternoon in a warm day with just a little bit of sweat coming on the outside, and it's just that perfect touch to finish things off. They're top rack dishwasher safe, so while they're disposable and recyclable, you can actually wash and reuse them, making them a fantastic cost-saving option, especially for food establishments. They're great for events, bars, especially those with outdoor areas, cafes, restaurants, caterers, various functions, picnics, especially corporate functions, or even sporting events. They're microwave safe, and they can hold beverages between 14 and 248 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes them really versatile for a variety of events and a variety of drinks. They also feature a nice rolled rim on the top, which makes them extra sturdy and stable and great for sipping beverages, whether hot or cold.